What changed in this new generation? Why are we giving more but getting less peace? How they become like goldfish sometimes, forget everything in 3 seconds. Every day you ask them homework, answer is which homework? So now the real question is, how do we guide this strong mind in the right direction? Why is my child so stubborn? Always saying no, never listening, always arguing. Am I doing something wrong? In our time, one look from Mama and we used to freeze. Her eyes were the danda. But now we do so much love, toys, hugs, cartoons, chocolates, outings, list is endless. Still, the child says, no, I don't want, leave me. What changed in this new generation? Why are we giving more but getting less peace? So, welcome to Parenting 2025. You are not alone. Every parent feels like HR manager nowadays. Brush हुआ? Homework complete हुआ कि नहीं? खाना खाया? And the kid is like CEO of the house. मुझे नहीं करना. We feel like we gave birth to a baby lion. मैं ब्रश नहीं करूँगा, खाना नहीं खाऊंगा, मुझे सुलाओ मत, छोड़ दो अकेला. Sometimes their brain feels like a wall. Nothing goes in. So hello everyone, I'm Surabhi, Global Cognitive Coach and the best friend for your child's brain. I'm with Brighter Minds, an organization from Heartfulness, which is available, which is serving 160 countries. And I'm hosting this today's session for you with Mrs. Rama Shinde, who is India's top Ivy leader, mentor to schools, and your partner in real parenting. And I'm glad that she has agreed to join our sessions because it's very, very rare to get her time. She is very busy. But thank you, Rama ma'am, for taking time out for all of us. Thank you so much. So today's topic is how to deal with stubborn children.
Yeah. Thank you, Surbhi ma'am. Thank you so much. And whatever you said is very, very true, So I'm telling you, like, today's kids are not just stubborn, ma'am. Okay, they are like a full National Geographic channel. Okay, you take a bath time. Okay, the child will sit like a rock. Okay, from the Mahabharata. No move, no talk, just laser eyes. Okay, like a zebra on the zebra crossing. Okay, and if you beg, you bribe, he just stands like a statue. Okay, of non-cooperation mode. And homework time. Okay, he screams like he is being dipped in cold water. Okay, dangerous. It is dangerous for all parents' BP and their soul. Sometimes, ma'am, they are like a goat stuck in a fence.
Yeah.
You want to help them, okay? But mujhe mat batao. This is kind of, stern reactions you will see. I know everything. A pure ego ka Everest. Other times, they start behaving like a parrot, ma'am. Okay? And only one word, no. Okay? Breakfast, no. School, no. Smile, no. Okay? So this is the scenario, Subhi ma'am.
Yeah, and there are next level kids in 2025. Those are kids in denial mode. ये तो कुछ और ही happy aliens हैं. Full Netflix special, Rama ma'am. Yeah. They behave like an ostrich with its head in the sand. Correct. Failed the test, but says Alex and David also failed, Mama. Paper was difficult. You say, okay, but last paper also you got 3 out of 10 only. They say, do you remember your 6th grade marks? No, na. Do marks really matter? And the hilarious one is, sometimes they are like a cat hiding after breaking your flower pot. I didn't do it. अरे CCTV देख लो भाई, तुम ही थे, live telecast था. But they are like a puppy, chewing a chapati and then acting very innocent. Face so sweet, completely innocent, and says, "Not me, Mama, promise, I didn't do it," like little Krishna, you know. So you even wonder how they become like goldfish sometimes, forget everything in 3 seconds, you know. Every day you ask them, "Homework?" Answer is, "Which homework?" And you are like, "Oh my God." If it feels like, the story of your house too, then stay with us and write yes in the comment section, dear parents. Because with all this laughter, I am going to tell you something very different. What if we tell you that being stubborn is not always bad? Yes, you are hearing it right. It shows that your child has a strong mind. They know what they want. They can say no, because saying no is not very easy in this world. So they can say no. It's confidence. It shows their confidence. So now the real question is, how do we guide this strong mind in the right direction? So let's talk. Let's decode this jungle, like Rama ma'am says, National Geographic. Let's do it together with love and laughter. Rama ma'am, we need your help in this.
Sure, Surbhi ma'am. Like today we talk, real no gyan. Okay, ma'am. We don't want to give gyan. Only fun, facts, and full of feelings, ma'am. Right? Because this is very important for the parents to understand. Like, आज के बाद बोलना, like I would like to speak, बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम सबको लगता है, like मेरा बच्चा जिद्दी है. This is like, a scenario with most of the parents. But today I will tell you a secret. Maybe he is not ziddi. Maybe he is just tired, man. Okay? And, for what he's tired. Like, same old scooter. Gar, 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 gar. Like, engine band. It keeps repeating. So let's talk about a real life scenarios. You come home from work, you are tired, and your child is sitting with iPad now. Okay? And you say, "Beta, homework kiya?" He says, "No." You say, "Chalo dinner kar lo?" He says, "No." You say, "Shoes jagah pe rakhe nahi hai?" He will say, "No." And you say, "Mama se pyar karo," and he will still say no. And now you're thinking like, ये जिद्दी बच्चा क्यों है, right? ये क्यों ऐसे behave कर रहा है? But let's wait and let's pause. Let's look behind that no. Sometimes it is not ziddi, okay? Sometimes it is fatigue. Do you agree, Surbhi ma'am, with me?
Yeah. Say they get bored, they get tired.
Yeah, and the child is really very tired. Okay, so school से आया, बस में देखा, homework का pressure, then the class में competition is, cutthroat competition is there, then lunch box में, so it is like it's kind of a मैं क्यों खाऊं kind of a this thing, and the child is not ziddi, the child has a low battery, man. हम तो ठीक जानते हैं ना, करेक्ट? तो मैम आई फील इट इज लाइक समटाइम्स दे आर hungry, it's a hunger in them. So the child keeps saying no because he hates you. Okay, that hatred is not in the mind but that situation. Okay, because stomach is making sound like abhi to mujhe kuch khana hai, right? That kind of a thing is there in their mind, and sometimes that boredom is there. Every day some routine, wake up, brush, tiffin, school, homework, and then the sleep. Do you agree with me? This is all happening with every parent.
Yeah, I guess so. So you can write yes if you resonate.
Yeah. तो बच्चा बोलता है कि माँ मैं भी एक इंसान हूँ, रोबोट नहीं, राइट? या रोबोट हूँ? We'll have to answer. So he says no, not because he's stubborn, ma'am. Okay,
Mm.
because he wants something different, not
Mm.
big, but a
Mm.
small changes.
That's
Something
super important. They
I
don't need big things. They need small changes, some new thing, some
new
tickling, some laughter, you know.
correct, correct. And that kind of a healthy environment, sometimes it is just wanting love from you. Hmm? One one mom told me, ma'am, my son didn't eat food after school. He shouted. He then she scolded him. He started crying. He said, "Mama, मुझे सिर्फ hug चाहिए." Okay,
Mm.
hug
Mm.
चाहिए था. I wanted that you to hug me. Bas. He didn't wanted food. He didn't wanted to cuddle.
Mm. Mm.
तो हमें सोचते हैं मैम, हम सोचते हैं कि डिसिप्लिन का प्रॉब्लम है.
Mm.
कभी कभी अटेंशन प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Attention चाहिए उन्हें. Yeah. So true, Rama ma'am. Very true. And it reminds me of a few hilarious real stories of our homes.
Yeah.
All the parents can imagine this. A mama says, homework हुआ? बच्चा is like, no. Mama says, तुम तो पापा जैसे जिद्दी हो. And Papa is sitting on TV पे बैठे हुए, and then he is saying, मैं नहीं हूँ जिद्दी, अपनी का निधर मत चलाओ. And दादी in the मंदिर, she says, अरे मेरा बेटा तो बहुत सीधा था. And even the dog, in the house, the dog says, मुझे भी मत गुस्सा दिलाओ. And now in all this, mama gets more angry, and बच्चे की ठुकाई. So result, what would be the result? He would listen even lesser. So sometimes our frustrations, because of that, they start listening us lesser. Now imagine this second scenario. Child is doing nothing, just lying down after, school, and mama comes. TV band karo. Child is like, nahi. Because he is feeling controlled. No, so he'll say, nahi. Papa is like, Phir, you are not going to get anything now. And child is like, तो मैं फ्लोर पे सो जाऊंगा. बस denial activated. So while laughing at it, you may also think how we become catalyst sometimes. We don't realize, but as parents, we also become catalyst. तो आज से हमें क्या करना है, क्या करेंगे? Next time जब भी बच्चा no बोले, don't just shout. Pause, breathe, check if he is tired first. Second, if he is hungry, check. Third, if he is bored. Fourth, does he want to be heard? Or fifth, check if he wants a warm hug. Just 1 second hug. Parents, stubbornness का मतलब ये नहीं है कि बच्चा बिगड़ गया है. Stubbornness का मतलब ये होता है कि मुझे कुछ फील हो रहा है अंदर, पर मैं बता नहीं पा रहा मम्मा पापा. आई एम नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस, आई एम नॉट एबल टू शेयर विद यू, टेल यू. लेट अस बिकम देयर ट्रांसलेटर्स. उनका नो सुनो और प्यार से यस तक लेके जाओ. तो अगले बार जब भी बच्चा बोलेगा नो, तो नो झटकना, नो सटकना, नो भटकना. बस आप सोचना कि ये जिद नहीं है, ये जरूरत हो सकती है. They are not difficult. They are just trying to feel safe and express something. They are trying to tell you something. Are we able to decode or not is up to us.
Very true, very true.
So Rama ma'am, what do you think about it? Because it's my opinion, right?
Yeah. I'm just thinking on what you are saying, ma'am. Okay. And आज के बच्चे, what you rightly pointed out, आज के बच्चे मैम, they are like digital हैं, right? They are born with a chip, correct? And हर मम्मी पापा की line होती है कि don't do this, don't touch that, no phone, no jumping, no talking during my meeting time if they are working online. So this is a typical dialogue, right? अरे भाई, जब घर में नो की सुनामी रहेगी तो अब बच्चा क्या करता है? वो नो को ही अपनी रिंगटोन बना देता है मैम.
All the time he also starts saying.
And so when we say no 100 times, they stop listening. They go deaf, ma'am. Unheard. They feel unheard. Like, beta mama, I want to tell you something. And the mama says like, later on, beta, I'm cooking, or I have meeting, or I have to finish this important job. But it's important, beta is saying it's important. And the mama says, letter means letter. Okay, she's so firm in her approach. Then, beta homework kiya. Later on, she'll come in her normal mode and she will ask. So, beta will use later on, ma'am, mama. Okay. Letter means never. Okay, and no letter means letter, right? Yeah, do you agree, ma'am?
Correct. So because we behave like that, they will behave the same way.
Correct. Like today's kids want, ma'am, power. Okay, not government wali power, ma'am. Okay, that is like choosing, choosing wali power. Okay, they want, let me choose my shoes. Okay, let me pour my milk. Let me choose to help you, even if it is messy. You keep saying no, and they say fine. Now I am going on a hunger strike. This is something which keeps happening.
Yeah. Correct. Yeah, so we like sometimes we avoid being messy, no? And yeah, that's why also we say no sometimes. And typically what I realized, when we fight in front of them, like mama and papa, we are fighting in front of them. Like for example, papa says, why didn't you pay the bill? Mummy is like, because I was cooking alone. Papa is like, you always say that. No, you do nothing all the day. What do you do? Mummy is like, and you always forget things. And now in this argument, बच्चा is like, मैं किस तरह हूँ यार? मैं गलती से पैदा हो गया क्या? Now the child feels unsafe. The point is, in this argument, child never feels sad. Child feels insecure, unsafe, guilty. And he also starts thinking, what should he do? Then what does he do? He tries to control small things like, no, I won't eat. No, I won't go. Because he feels everything else is out of control. So let me control smaller things.
Very true.
Yeah. And you know what? They copy us. Like monkeys see monkeys do, ma'am. In National Geographic. If you shout, they will shout. Mama shouts, why don't you listen? Beta is like, why don't you listen? Mummy is like, because I am the mother, right? And I am the son, na? मतलब जो देखा ना रमा मैम वही सीखेगा. तो अरे भाई बच्चा ना ब्लूटूथ है, ऑटोमेटिकली कनेक्ट हो जाता है मम्मी पापा के बिहेवियर से, वेरी मच लाइक ब्लूटूथ. तो हमेशा बच्चा स्टबर्न नहीं होता है. कभी कभी तो हम ही रिमोट कंट्रोल की बैटरी लूज कर देते हैं रमा मैम.
Absolutely true, ma'am.
And we are humans. It's not our fault, but it's not theirs either. We are not sharing this just to feel parents, let the parents feel guilty. But why we are sharing this? So that we understand that we are also humans. We get frustrated, we get irritated. So are our children. They also lose their control. और उधर आप क्या सोचते हो? ये मेरा बच्चा ना इतना गुस्सा क्यों करता रहता है, इतनी जिद क्यों करता है. मैं कहती हूँ नहीं करना है अभी, तो वही क्यों करना है उसे. लेट मी टेल यू द सीक्रेट. उनका ब्रेन पूरा रेडी नहीं है. रमा मैम, इन न्यूरोसाइंस यू एंड मी नो दैट दिस प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स, दिस पार्ट, द थिंकिंग पार्ट, that helps with decision, control, patience, logic. It grows very slowly. It gets fully ready at 25 years of age. 25 साल तक रेडी होता है. और तब तक क्या होता है, वो सिर्फ इमोशंस और मस्ती मशीन है. बच्चे full on मस्ती जोन, फन जोन ऑन, एंड थिंकिंग जोन इज स्टिल buffering. और उनका इमोशनल ब्रेन, which is called amygdala, that is already dancing on the DJ floor since age 2. Age 2 से शुरू हो जाता है वो fun वाला, But the thinking brain, ये आराम से वैकेशन पे है अभी, 25 साल तक धीरे धीरे डेवलप होगा. तो जब आप बोलते हो बेटा calm down, imagine you are telling a monkey, बेटा योगा कर लो. Monkey क्या बोलेगा? Monkey will say, मैं तो उल्टा लटकना चाहता हूँ ना, मैं तो उल्टा लटकूंगा. Likewise, our बच्चे वो monkey जैसे ही हैं. उनका
Yeah.
ब्रेन बोलता है नहीं मुझे तो चीखना है, मैं तो रोल करूंगा जमीन पर। तो
Yeah.
अगली बार जब आपका बच्चा चीखेगा ना तो
Hmm.
चॉकलेट मांगेगा, टीवी रिमोट खींचेगा, टॉय शॉप के सामने हो सकता है लेट जाए, मॉल में एस्केलेटर पे हो सकता है लेट जाए,
Correct.
तो आप समझ जाना कि वो
Hmm.
बैड नहीं है, बैड बिहेवियर नहीं दिखा रहा है वो, उनका दिमाग थोड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड है उस समय पे। सो अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द ब्रेन साइंस पर्सपेक्टिव दैट माय चाइल्ड इज नॉट बैड चाइल्ड। वो बैड मैनर्स बैड बिहेवियर करके आपको पूरे मॉल में इंसल्ट नहीं कर रहा है, वो बेचारा खुद के इमोशंस को हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहा है। यू नो रमा मैम?
Yeah. Surabhi ma'am, this brain connection understanding is very important for all the parents. Right? So let me tell you about, the 4 mistakes, okay, which every Indian parent makes. And then, later on they repent.
Yeah, I think everyone knows it. If you try to remember, अगर आप याद करोगे तो आप जानते हो इसको, हम इसको बोलते थे बचपन में HSLC, हार्ड से लर्निंग कंक्लूड होगी ऐसा बोलते थे HSLC। तो रमा मैम, you know,
Yeah.
you can
So
share
we were
those 4
going to
things.
talk about this only, like, HLLC. So, this H, okay, which stands for hit, okay, hitting. So when you hit, okay, many parents hit their children, okay, and it's really very sad to note that. So this hitting, what happens because of that? The child's self-respect, okay, is nowadays, it's a new era. So the children have their own self-respect, okay, and they stop trusting you. So please remember this H, hit, which you give it, the children will stop trusting you.
और वो चाटा इधर गाल पे नहीं पड़ता है, वो दिल पे पड़ता है आजकल।
Correct. And they will remember it, ma'am. They remember it. Secondly, ma'am, S, okay, that is the shout. You shout, and then the children shout more louder, okay, like a rock music with full bass. Okay, that happens. Secondly, ma'am, L, right? So like it's kind of a label. Like you are lazy, you are a bad boy. Now they believe that, that whatever the parent is saying, जैसे हम भी तो वैसे ही थे, right? Correct? And this kind of a, feeling which when you are labeling the child, okay, तो मैं ऐसे ही रहूंगा, kind of a thing, the child, it comes in child's mind.
Yeah, because रमा मैम, that becomes their belief system. वो ये नहीं सोचते कि पेरेंट तो सरकाजम में बोल रहा है, they think अच्छा I am bad, mama is saying, papa is always saying तुम तो किसी काम के हो नहीं, maybe it is truly correct. So one parent shared with me, Rama ma'am, I would like to share here. He said, even till date, I am not able to stand in front of people and speak because whenever I used to do that in my childhood, my father will always say, तुम बोल भी पाओगे क्या इतने सामने लोगों के खड़े होके? Have you prepared well? तुम नहीं बोल पाओगे, इतना डर मत किया करो. That becomes inner voice कि नहीं होगा. Then he shared with me with tears in eyes, मैम मैं आज भी नहीं खड़े होके 4 लोगों के सामने बोल पाता हूँ because my father's voice has become my inner voice. Every time it keeps telling me, कर पाओगे क्या, नहीं कर पाओगे, leave it, you know.
Correct, ma'am. What you said is like, that impression remains forever on the mind. Correct. And now, ma'am, that C which is there, okay, which, all the time comparison, right? So when I remember the way you give that example of Sharma ji, like Sharma ji ka beta to IIT mein gaya, right? So like all the time that comparison, okay, Sharma ji ka beta kuch Sharma ji jaisa hai, okay, that also is an add-on sentence for the senior kids. And so we need to stop this from today. That is something very, very important. And if they do that, okay, so what I would like to say is like, do you shout at your, a flower because it's not blooming fast? No, right? Then why do we do it at our children? Okay, why do we do it for our child? So what to do instead of these things? I would like to tell you 5 powerful, unfailing and parenting tools. Try this magic tools. Are you ready to note it, ma'am? Are you ready to note it?
Yes, we all are ready, Rama ma'am.
Okay. So the first thing is that, ma'am, give choices. Okay. मिल्क तुम्हें रेड कप में दूं या ब्लू कप में दूं? ओके, you give a choice for a plate or a cup. Don't give a choice for a food what the child wants to eat.
Limited choice. Give limited
Yeah.
choice,
Limited
but give
choice.
choice.
Yeah, but keep that choice in serving. Okay, so this is very important. And now then let them feel like CEO of their life now. Okay, so this is the something, give them a choice, but you have to be very wise. You should not give a choice for a food selection, because that time they don't understand the milk is important or chapati roll is important. So we should give them a choice. Second thing is that listen first. Okay, so ask what happened. Don't say what's wrong with you. Okay. Third thing is that, ma'am, set routines. Okay, eating time, playing time, sleeping time, same time daily. Okay, so the brain loves predictability. That is something which is very, very important. Predictability, brain loves it. So write it and stick that thing at a visible place, ma'am. Okay? So don't do it only verbally. So the child knows, child starts following that when at a very early age. Okay. Then the number 4 thing is that praise their efforts. You tried, I love that. Okay, it has to come spontaneously. Okay, not only the marks or the you have to efforts whatever the child is taking. That matters a lot. So effort matter karta hai. This has to be instilled in the child. And the last but not the least thing, 5th thing, ma'am, hug. Don't lecture the child. Okay, hug opens the heart, ma'am. That love opens their heart. Lecture shuts their ears. Okay, so don't try to win the shouting game. Okay, stay calm. Energy spreads. Okay, and the calm spreads calm. Okay, anger spreads anger. 5 things, Subhi ma'am. If they remember it, it will be a great change.
Yeah. Completely agree. And that's the secret of a true treasure garden. If you want to get that treasure, which is absolute pleasure, it's a key. तो मेरे प्यारे मम्मा पापा लोग, स्टबर्न चाइल्ड का सॉल्यूशन है, ना डंडा चाहिए ना ड्रामा चाहिए, बस 3 सिंपल थिंग्स, 3 सिंपल चीज़ें हम आज डिसाइड कर लें. अगर रमा मैम ने बहुत सारी अच्छी बातें बताई, वो सब इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए तो इट्स लाइक मैजिक. शी हैज़ गिवन अस मैजिक पिल्स. 3 थिंग्स फॉर श्योर. एंड नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक घर से निकल जा टाइप्स, काम ही खत्म, ऐसा नहीं. फर्स्ट, व्हाट यू डू फ्रॉम टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स, डिनर के बाद रिमोट नहीं उठाना है. यू प्रॉमिस योरसेल्फ दैट. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट, इंक्लूडिंग मी, डिनर के बाद हमको रिमोट नहीं उठाना है टीवी का. टीवी बंद करो और सिर्फ एक लाइन पूछो बच्चे से, व्हाट मेड यू स्माइल टुडे, व्हाट डिड यू एंजॉय टुडे. सम हार्ट टू हार्ट टॉक. पहले दिन बच्चा बोलेगा नथिंग, लाइक मेनी पेरेंट्स टेल मी कि मम्मा बात ही नहीं करता है मम्मा से पापा से, एक वर्ड आंसर देता है जैसे सीईओ जैसा. दूसरे दिन लेकिन क्या बोलेगा, व्हेन आई एट टिफिन विद सिड आई फेल्ट हैप्पी. सेकंड डे थोड़ा ओपन अप होगा. थर्ड डे, व्हेन आई टिकल्ड मम्मा एंड आई स्टोल पेंसिल फ्रॉम द डेविड आई बिकेम हैप्पी. कनेक्शन हो गया बस. दैट मोमेंट चाइल्ड स्टार्ट शेयरिंग नॉटीनेस विद यू, इट्स डन. बच्चा बोलता है जब फील करता है सेफ, बिना उसकी नहीं बोलता है. जैसे LIC का प्लान है. So that is our first takeaway. ये विदाउट फेल करना है हमको आज के बाद. सेकेंड, 1 minute हग, एक फिल्मी मम्मा स्टाइल. सुबह सुबह टिफिन देने के साथ एक बड़ी सी जादू की झप्पी भी दे दो. मुन्ना भाई MBBS देख लो, नहीं देखा है तो. Not just बेटा जल्दी कर, बस के लिए लेट हो रहा है. नहीं.
Yeah.
Say, come here, my energy battery. Enjoy your day. That positivity, that
Correct.
communication of love. You love them, no doubt. But do you communicate? How often do you communicate? You know. So when you communicate that, a strong hug is like full recharge. वाईफाई का सिग्नल चला जाएगा ना तो चलेगा, पर मम्मा का हग सिग्नल फुल होना चाहिए. You know, पापा का हग सिग्नल फुल होना चाहिए. This was second. Now third thing is, remember and try to understand every no hides a need. And this emotional mode will always be on in our hearts. You know, connecting mode, understanding mode before shouting. बच्चा चिल्लाता है no, don't shout back. You pause, you do relaxation. If needed, try heartfulness meditation. You know, decode करो. शायद थका हुआ है, या उसे सुना नहीं गया होगा, कुछ कहना चाहता होगा, या शायद बस I need you कहना चाहता होगा. Remember, tantrum is not drama. It's a hidden message. Google Translate ऐसा मत करो. What is he doing? Connect heart to heart. You will get to know. बस एक hug कर लो. Child will melt down. Everything will be. They are very innocent hearted. It will be, you know, done. So that's what I want to tell you. You know, these three things, if we can implement from today, maybe you can give us feedback in the next session, or you can just write down. Write to us, and I can share our contact details here so that you can share things.
Yeah. Very, very important things, ma'am, you also have shared. And if they can give us a feedback in the upcoming sessions, it will be great. It will be. So, you know, ma'am, parenting is not a war. Yeah, Surbhi ma'am, you are sharing the contact details, right? Yeah.
Yes, I shared contact details, and I am also sharing our YouTube channel details. This webinar will be available on coming Monday for you, and also if you want to share with other people, please share. We need your help in spreading these words, in spreading positivity in families, because we want harmony in the houses.
Absolutely correct. And so parenting is not a war. That is something which everybody should remember. It's like, you know, walk in a monsoon season. Okay, monsoon season में walk करते हो तो कैसे करते हो? That you should remember. कभी puddle होता है, कभी rainbow आता है, right? So don't fight your child. Okay, walk with him. They are not your enemy. Okay, they are your team. और अगर आपको पेरेंटिंग यू नो हैक्स पसंद है तो क्या करना है, you know, what you would like to do is that, you know, subscribe this channel, which is, you know, Childfulness is the name of the channel, and then you can watch the previous videos also. Don't forget to join our parenting tribe. Okay, Surbhi ma'am is sharing the link. She has already shared it, right? So
yeah, and I have shared, Rama ma'am, our WhatsApp group link as well, where you know, this parenting tribe, we all are together, we parents, and then you can keep connecting.
Correct. And you know, ma'am, like if they have any personal issues which they want to discuss with you, then you have a special free counseling sessions also, like, right? Yeah, ma'am. So that also link you can share it with them, right? And then let's walk together with love, with laughs and full on hugs, you know, for the children. Let them give that conducive environment where we can create a beautiful, you know, personalities. And let's keep the, you know, forum open for questions now, ma'am. We are ready to answer them, because I'm sure that after listening to us, the parents will be asking certain questions to us. So let's declare the forum is open for it.
Yeah, sure. So let me go through few questions, Rama ma'am. I'll just tell you. So anyway, if you want to write any question, if you want to ask any question, please write it here.
Yeah, they can write it also. They can raise their hand, or, you know, they can unmute and speak also, right, ma'am? Yeah.
Sure. So by the time you are writing, I'm just sharing the questions. We have received 14 questions since yesterday. So first question is by Shan Pillai ji. How can I improve my training my mind?
My training, my mind,
My
right?
mind. I think gentleman wants to talk on how to train the mind. How can I improve on that?
Basically, what I would like, Surbhi ma'am, you can also add on that. Brighter Minds as well as Heartfulness has a wonderful program. It is a cognitive development program, and it is a very structured one. Okay, for all age groups, it is available. So, if you want to change your mind, you should take a proper help. Okay, give one call to Surbhi ma'am. She will guide you what are the free courses available and what are the paid ones also.
Yeah.
Correct? Yeah. Yeah. So, Mrs. Shan, right, ma'am? Yeah. she
Yeah,
had-
yeah,
Yeah.
Mr. Shan. So please connect with us, sir. I have already shared my number. I am sharing one more number of Swarajji
Yeah.
in case my number comes busy.
Yeah. So they can get one-on-one help.
Yes.
Yeah. the
Please
number
feel
is-
free to connect. Yeah. And then Chaitanya ji is saying kindly share WhatsApp group link once again. I did it.
Yeah.
And Darpal ji is saying my child says no for everything. What to do? Like you said, no, ma'am, for everything, no mode is on.
So, ma'am, they should introspect what I felt like, I mean to say this must be because this is a scenario in many houses. But then all people, all members, like, nowadays even the parents are there, maids are there, then grandparents are there. So they all need to introspect what language, what communication they are using it. Because as you had rightly, communicated, monkey connection, right? They are imitating, right? The children imitate adult. So they first they should find it out where they are going wrong, and they should bring the change in their approach.
Yeah, that's very true. And we need to understand the brain science, what is happening, with your child. Sometimes it may be monkey mode, like Rama ma'am said, intentionally they will irritate you. They will, they will be watching you, and, intentionally they will throw something just to show you that I will not listen to you. In that way, the dealing would be different, In that case, you need to give them limited choices that, okay, do this or do this, so that they feel that they are also controlling. Sometimes buffalo mode, like ma'am was talking about zebra on the zebra crossing. So zebra mode is on. They are like this. Whatever you say, no. So what to do? They are not listening anything. Nothing is going inside. Then what to do? In that case, appreciating for smaller things, appreciating for their small efforts, that matters a lot. So first we need to understand what is happening with the child, why that mode is on, what is behind that mode, because it is the complete spectrum. Once we understand, we can do more intervention. So what you can do, you can observe your child closely. If needed, you can connect back with us. Okay, so now I'm taking next question. I hope you are getting answers. Please write down in the chat if something remains. Dinesh Sharma ji is writing how to manage a child when he is being stubborn.
So we have shared entire this thing, like the children are not stubborn. Okay. Surbhi ma'am has explained how the brain connection and the age connection is there. They are developing. It's like the flower is just blooming, right? So you need to be very matured enough to handle the children, and calmness each parent needs to learn. Okay, because of the work pressure, because of the situations, many of them lose their temper at very early age. The people have this BP problem and all those things, but then there are certain techniques which Heartfulness also has it. If they adopt those things, they will calm down. You can learn to calm down, and if you calm down, automatically your child will be on a right track.
Yeah. So I think Brighter Minds for children and Heartfulness techniques for adults, for parents, it's a beautiful combination. If you can adopt both, you can see this change. I mean, you will experience that change in your life. not in a big time horizon, but just give us 3 months for that. In your whole life, give us only 3 months for this transformation to take place, and you will observe the changes. That is for sure. Okay, so now I am taking a question which is she has not written the name, but written, I am a teacher, some are too reserved, how to connect with them. So she wants to say some children are very reserved, how to connect with them, they feel very shy. So this shyness, this being reserved, is also a sign of ego behavior in children. That is a sign of shutting down. They are shutting down because they are feeling that ego hurt, that self-respect hurt. So we have to understand what they are going through, why they are shutting down, because we are sharing so many reels, Rama ma'am, which we are sharing in our YouTube. Couple of them we have shared related to this shutdown only, how
Correct.
children shut down.
Yeah, they freeze themselves, and they are not ready to open up. Correct. So we do have the solutions for that. Ask them to listen to those videos, and if not, then they can get one-on-one counseling, ma'am, because these kind of a behavior, we need to stitch in time saves 9. So when you realize that your child is little shy or introvert, then in that case seek a proper help. Okay, seek proper help, give him that kind of environment, or that social skills to be developed, some strategies, and the children open up. Okay.
Yeah. So child has shut down doesn't mean that child has lost hope in the world. It's not like that. Maybe because of some smaller thing also child may shut down. So even with a small intervention, a small loving hug, or making child feel safe, that child can be brought. Because in our sessions in Brighter Minds, we have this academy in Magarpatta city. We also keep doing sessions online. These offerings from Brighter Minds and Heartfulness both are available online. So during our work with children, work with adults, we understand, okay, this particular thing is going on. So we are able to give only smaller things that also work like magic. You don't need big changes. Only smaller changes also are sufficient enough to open up children. At least children are like very, very innocent hearted.
The lot of purity is there in them.
Yes.
Very important.
So thank you for your questions. And now Krishna Sinha ji has written, what is the biggest things of Brighter Minds that helps the kids most of the time? That is like $1 million question. What is the biggest thing in Brighter Minds? So I'll tell you what. Everything starts from condition of mind. Rama ma'am, if I am with angry mind, or if I am sitting with sad mind, like this, or if I am all the time in different condition of mind, whatever you may say, I will only think negative, then nothing works. So the most important thing in any human is how mind works. What is the condition of mind? So in Brighter Minds, what magic trick is how to maintain that condition of mind to peaceful, joyful, and nearly meditative state of mind, so that all the functions in the brain, all the parts of the brain, they work in maximum efficiency with maximum productivity. That is called alpha state of mind. That's why in Brighter Minds we have kept names Brighter Minds Alpha, Brighter Minds Alpha Plus, because with that we are able to maintain the condition of mind to alpha state. In that alpha state, your child's focus improves, concentration becomes better, child becomes emotionally resilient, emotional strength बहुत आ जाती है, intuition also becomes better, so dynamic decision making, the child can decide wisely, problem solving ability improve होती है. So when the condition of mind is brought, you will agree, Rama ma'am, all the children nowadays, they are very smart, very sharp, very intelligent. जो हमको 5th में नहीं आता था, वो अभी उनको class 1 में ही आता है, right? They are very sharp, but this higher energy needs to be channelized.
Absolutely correct.
right?
Absolutely
Otherwise, it is double-edged sword.
correct.
You know, it can go here with the same strength, and this side also
Tangent.
with the
Yeah,
same
it
strength.
can be tangent.
Yeah. So that is why in Brighter Minds, this work on how to maintain that condition of mind. Like when we meditate, we gain what? Meditative condition of mind. Buddha once said, I didn't gain something with meditation, but I lost my temper. I lost my weaknesses. I lost my negativity. So what remains? When darkness is not there, what remains? Light.
Yeah.
Isn't
Light.
it? So that is why restlessness removed. So condition of mind would be proper. So that is the key element of Brighter Minds. How to maintain that meditative condition of mind, but because without giving them meditation, because children can't meditate. So we use different techniques, interventions backed from neuroscience, ancient yogic techniques, and that is why this is very joyful program, very activity based, wonderful program which children thoroughly enjoy. Rama ma'am, even the child who is not willing to come to academy, only one time the child comes for only one session,
And
and
then
then child then child says no, I will go no matter what.
And what I feel, ma'am, here basically the brain development of the children, okay, under this Brighter Minds, because the school curriculum, it's kindly purely academic one, right? Where, the brain development happens, but here the specific things are done to improve your brain development, right? It's like a whole brain exercises are there, brain gyms are there, right?
Yeah.
So those things are very important, and if you do it at early age group, right, then it becomes like continuation. Like we have seen in our few webinars, we have the senior kids have spoken also, those who have completed all the programs, and how maturity level has changed in them. Right?
True. So schools are giving inputs like math, science, biology. It's like giving inputs to the brain, but processing will be done by the brain. Which school teaches children how to focus, how to calm down, how to manage your emotions? But these are life skills. Like few days ago, we hosted one webinar, Rama ma'am, that guild webinar, in which one IAS officer said, even in UPSC, IIM, IIT, nowhere it is being taught. And then, I learned through life only. These life skills are not taught. But in Brighter Minds, that is the focus area.
Thank you for explaining, ma'am. I'm sure everybody, this question was very important. Ma'am, we have a few questions in the chat also.
Please take, ma'am. Yeah, please let's take it.
Yeah, we'll take one by one. So one of the parent, I'm not taking the name, one of the parent has written like, my son is 17 years old, and he offers often tells lies. Okay. So this is something which is, Surabhi ma'am, you can add on. This is something which is it is very common. Okay. This speaking lies is very, very common. But at the same time, since you have realized it, we need to work on child, right? It has to be on one-on-one working with the child to help him to overcome this problem. Because that time the child's brain doesn't understand. Okay. When he manipulates, he doesn't understand. So if you have a school counselor can help. Otherwise, you can contact Surabhi ma'am. She or Swaraj sir can help. Right, Surabhi ma'am? Yeah.
Very right, very right. And what is there behind this? Because it is only a sign. Like when we get fever, that's a sign that something is needed in the system. System is responding like that way, having fever. So telling lie is only a sign that something inside is going on. So what is going on inside needs to be understood. There can be many reasons for that.
So that's why one-on-one is very important, ma'am. You need to have a deep talk with the child, right? Try to understand what's running. Maybe sometimes the friends' influences are there. Sometimes the child has seen something. So that also, you never know what is the reason for that. But
you never know. Sometimes it can be fear, ma'am. It can be fear of something. Yeah. If I tell the truth, my parents may not agree, or they may feel bad. And don't think that child doesn't love you, that's why lying. What I realize, sometimes children lie because they love their parents the most. अरे ऐसा मम्मा को सच बता दिया तो मम्मा will feel bad, mama will feel hurt. So never conclude negative meaning with that my child is lying, that means he's a bad boy, he doesn't care for us, he doesn't, respect us. No, it's not like that. Sometimes more respect also forces them to lie.
Very rightly said. Yeah. We have one more question, ma'am.
Yeah.
When Smita is saying, like, my daughter was very, introvert, and now she has become extrovert, kind of a thing. She's talking so much that even her all, the teachers are complaining about what to do. So it's kind of, we would like to ask Mrs. Smita, like, how this transformation took place, right? Like when the first child was introvert and now the child has become like, extrovert. So they must have done something to say, have you spoken to somebody, and because of that it has happened. So that is one thing. And secondly, like, now what to do? So we have to, analyze it. Like, the child has developed the confidence. Okay. When you look at the introvert children, they are hesitant to speak. But now when the child has become confident, ma'am, we need to understand that the child should not become, overconfident. Like Surabhi ma'am, you have that wonderful video on that overconfidence of the child, right?
Yeah, and one more thing, actually, like you said, we need to understand more in detail about this, because sometimes being very shy and then jumping directly to being very extrovert, both can be a sign of loneliness. Loneliness in especially teens. And something which is going in their head, they are not able to process properly. That also, and it can be a way of thinking something but not being able to do that. So these are the things also we need to take care. That I'm not saying that you need to worry. First of all, rest assured, I'm not saying that you need to worry. What I'm saying here is we need to actually understand, try to observe, try to understand what has changed, what has brought that change, and then also talk to teachers, that all of a sudden, what kind of, is it the positive change they are seeing, or is it just because child wants to say something she is saying? Whenever I want to say that, suppose child wants to say something, but is it making more sense, or it is just the need that I need to speak? So these things should be observed, and then we need to work on the child. If it is a sign of confidence, we are really glad and congratulations. But why I am saying this? Because you are sharing your real concern, and we are with you in your parenting journey. So we should also share things with you so that you can observe more closely. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Rama ma'am.